Hey everyone, I am on my grandparents' land that I'm going to be looking after for the summer, and hopefully maybe at some point I'll be looking after it for longer. But this land has been unused for a very long time. Basically just horses from neighbors on this land, and there's an orchard right here that you can see. It has a bunch of apples. There's some pears, but this orchard's probably 120 plus years old. So I'd like to see if I can start cloning some of these trees, bring them back a little bit better, and start also a garden on this land. So those are going to be some of the first things I look forward to doing. I'm going to be trimming up today, trimming up all of the dead trees, dead limbs. That's planned for now. And then at some point I'm going to bring a tractor down here to get it going as well. So that'll be real cool. Stay tuned. Here's the field right now. Watered it earlier. Some point going to bring the tractor down here, and that'll be real nice. Be a lot easier to work with a tractor and get this place nice and set up. But super glad that we have water down here. Here's a stream. I'll walk that way, show you guys. Have a lot of work ahead of me. There's going to be a lot of trimming to have to be done. As you can see down here, needs a lot of work. This is overgrown. Really overgrown. But we got the nice stream, and we'll get this all under control. Wood chip it and start mulching the ground with it. Add that back, add some nutrients back into the ground. That's the plan. So now you guys will get to see the path I have to take to get back to the car. From this field through the neighbor's field over a bridge. But it's not too bad. Hopefully at some point maybe we can get a direct part of a road here. But for now, we cut through here. So here we are traveling through the neighbor's property. And they have a nice green field here. It's plenty wet right now as well. Making our way to the bridge. You guys can see the other neighbor field. And hopefully get this all cleared up, make it easy to go back and forth. I need to bring some more tools down here, such as wood chipper, tractor, possibly a mini excavator. We'll see what the plans are there. But this is another nice little field I got going on. And hopefully the one I'm looking after will start to look real nice as well soon. It's amazing how green it can be. Then it goes right to desert. Right to desert up there. Cactus, everything. This valley just gets a lot of organic material down here, which is real nice.